Hello students, let us discuss a numerical. The question states, if the mass shown in the figure is slightly displaced and then let go, then the system shall oscillate with a time period of A, that is this, B, that is this, C, that is this, or D, that is this. That is, if we slightly pull the mass, then what is the time period of its oscillation about its mean position? This is the theme of the question. So let us solve. Solution. The formula to calculate the time period is given as T is equals to 2 pi under root inertia factor by spring factor. So this is the time period, that is T is equals to 2 pi under root inertia factor by spring factor. Now look here. So first of all we will calculate the spring factor. Now these two springs are in parallel connection. So the effective spring constant of these two is K effective parallel, effective in suffix, parallel in superscript position, effective in subscript position, parallel in superscript position, and the K is parallel means these two are in parallel connection. Effective means when they are connected in parallel, what is the effective value of K? That is the spring factor. It comes out to be K plus K, that is equals to 2K. Clear? So we will draw a simplified version of this figure, a simplified version. Let us draw it. So as we see, this is the simplified version of this figure. This is the simplified version. Okay, 2K and K, and the mass is there. Now look. Now in this scenario and in this situation, now these two springs are connected in series. So what would be now the effective spring constant? This is this. K effective during this, for this configuration, K effective series, it is equals to K into 2K by K plus 2K. It is around 2 by 3K. 2 by 3K. Okay. So this is our final inertia factor. This is the final inertia factor. Now our job is to calculate the time period of oscillation. So T is equals to 2 pi under root M by K final. And what is the K final? K final is this, 2 by 3K. So 2 pi under root K by 3M by 2K. 2 pi under root 3M by 2K. So B is the correct answer. So I am once again briefing the whole numerical in front of you. Look. To calculate the time period of oscillation, we have used this formula, that is T is equals to 2 pi under root inertia factor by spring factor. First of all, we deal with this configuration. We have witnessed that these two springs are connected in parallel combination. So their effective spring constant is K plus K, that is 2K. Then we draw a simplified version of this configuration, and the simplified version is this. Here we are witnessing that this spring and this spring are connected in series. So now the effective spring constant is K into 2K by K plus 2K, which is around 2 by 3K. And this is our final K, that is the final spring factor. So our answer is, using this formula, T is equals to 2 pi under root m by K final. That is T is equals to 2 pi under root 3m by 2p, which is option B. 2 pi under root 3m by 2p. Hope this answer your question. Thank you.